The first thing you do when you start modeling is you want to get some image reference. Generally, you're going to get both the front and side view of your character. It may be helpful to go ahead and draw a full turnaround, front, side, back, quarter front, quarter back, just to get an understanding of your character in all dimensions. The book provides a front and a side view, and we need to bring those into here so that we can use them as reference. So I'm going to hit the space bar to go into the 4 views. So you see right now I have top, front, and right available. So in the front view, I'm going to load in that front image. So under view, I'm going to go into image plane, import image. Now from there, I'm going to make sure, I'm going to find my picture. In this case, I need to go up and I put it in images. And I'm going to get the front image. So that is a TIF to file. And both of these images have been sized so that they are proportionate. I'm going to open that. And we'll see that it appears here in the perspective panel. I'm going to go ahead and load the other one. So the side view in the right view. So my side drawing, I'm going to go image plane, import image, and I'm going to go find that file and import it. And it will import here. And you can see this is from the top. You have the side view and the front view. And they activate, and you can see them activate in all windows when selected. Now they're crisscrossed, and that is a problem. If you, instead of doing it from the views, did it from the perspective view, you're going to find that it's attached to the camera. So if it is attached to the camera, go ahead and select it and delete it out by pressing the delete key, and make sure that you import them in the appropriate views instead of in perspective. So let's go into perspective view. I'm going to select the image plane that I want to move. So the author has given us the dimensions that he wants us to have for this particular model. If you're doing your own model, you're going to have images at different sizes, and you may find that you need to resize the images. Again, when you create the images, you want them to be proportionate, so you can see how the feet attach here and the head attaches here, so that it really is a sense of 3 dimensions. So I'm grabbing this image plane, and I'm going to move it back. I'm going to go ahead and move the image center to -12. And that's going to put it back to the edge of my grid. And I'm holding down Option and the left mouse button in order to tumble my view. Now for the side view, I'm going to move image center X to -12, and that's going to scoot him over to the side. My build area is going to occur here in the middle at the origin 0, 0. You can see it perfectly from the side and the front here, and you can see that you can actually see both planes. It's just that it has no dimension to it, so it's just represented by a line. You'll use these views to get an accurate understanding of the proportions from either side, and then you can tumble around in here and zoom in and out. I'm using the scroll wheel while holding Command, and that lets you move around. You will want to constantly be looking around and toggling between the 2 views to make sure that your proportions are correct. So that's how you import view planes for reference for Maya modeling. Next tutorial, we're going to start modeling with a beautiful cube. See you then.